Placing a tourmaline pyramid or crystal beside your cell phone when you go to sleep at night, so you can have a deeper, more prophetic dreams when you lay down to rest.
Love, lift, life. We touch into your mind, body, and soul.
This is a homage beat.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. If you don't have a pistol, you better have a crystal. Shout out to Brother Hanky. Crystals are batteries for your energy. This isn't no etheric pseudoscience thing. This is pure facts. Crystals bring an energy frequency to your aura. Depending on what the crystal energy is, it gives you that necessary power to vibe with that energy. The problem is, we're not vibing with our crystals. Patreon.com, Love Live Life, to learn that science. Or Panic Class is also great to learn that science too. You vibing with these crystals are vital for you to get the maximum benefit out of it. A great book to get is Love is in the Earth, a kaleidoscope of crystals. In this book, you'll learn about all the different crystals, what kind of energy they bring, and how to differentiate crystals and much, much more. Think of crystals as literally a battery to boost your energy every day. Carry it on your persons. Place them around your home. Wear it around your neck. Wear them around your wrist. All these things will magnify your energy. When dealing with crystals, there are certain ways to charge and program them. This will set your crystal in alignment with you, basically powering up your mind. Your subconscious mind, that is. Everyone should have a tourmaline crystal, as it is a low vibrational energy blocker, blocking these vampires from penetrating your aura. Putting tourmaline by your electronic devices, getting them EMF waves from manipulating your system. Placing a tourmaline pyramid or crystal beside your cell phone when you go to sleep at night, so you can have a deeper, more prophetic dreams when you lay down to rest. In your meditations, a tourmaline can really help take your meditation to another level from the cell phone EMF wave. Placing it on your lap can have significant power in your meditations. Crystals are a must and an important part of taking advantage of your day. Take your mind to different heights with the battery power of crystals. Dream wise.